Firebase push notification. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the Firebase website. Once you're on the home page, click Get Started, and you'll be redirected to the Firebase console. Inside the Firebase dashboard, look at the menu on the left. Go to find the Run section, and under it, click on Messaging. Next, you can click on More on Cloud Messaging. After you enter the page, press Get Started to begin. Now, choose the Firebase project you want to use. After selecting your project, pick your development tool or platform. Then, enter your app nickname as required, according to your wishes, and follow all the step-by-step configuration instructions until setup is complete. Once done, you can now click on Create your first campaign. Choose Firebase notification messages as your campaign type. On the next screen, input your notification title and notification text. Click Next to proceed. Now define your target user, set the scheduling, and complete the next steps. After that, you can choose to save as draft or review the campaign. Hit Publish, and your Firebase messaging campaign is live.